Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel with another delicious recipe. Today I'm going to make creme brulee. To start, break the egg yolks a little bit and then add sugar and vanilla extract and give it a good mix. Sugar will not dissolve at this point, so as long as you give it a good mix to combine everything well, you can go to the next step. Leave the egg mixture aside and warm up the heavy cream. Bring the heavy cream to a simmer, don't let it boil. When you see the bubbles on the edge, you can take the pan off the stove. I'm pointing out to the bubbles on the edge. You can look for those, and when you see the bubbles, take it off from the heat. Give a quick mix to the eggs before you start tempering the eggs. Then start pouring the hot heavy cream little by little to temper the eggs. Be careful when you add the hot liquid to the eggs because you can cook the eggs. So I'm adding a little at the beginning just to bring the temperature even, and then add in sections. I'm just mixing the milk in with the egg mixture to combine everything together. I'm trying not to add too much air to the mixture because having air bubbles is not going to be nice to the final texture of the custard. That's why I'm not using a hand mixture in here, just using a whisk to combine everything together. Once you pour all the milk, I'm going to strain the mixture before pouring it to the ramekins. I have placed 6 ramekins in a baking pan, since I'm going to bake this custard in a water bath, and I'll be adding hot water at the end. I'm going to fill out these ramekins, and since I have a little bit more left, I'm going to go back and top it off with a little bit more. I can actually fill another ramekin with what I have left. When you're pouring the custard to the molds, make sure you do it gently without adding too much air bubbles to it. I'm just sliding these cups aside so I have enough space to pour the water without getting it into the custard. These ramekins hold about half a cup of custard. I'm gonna add hot water to the pan, like halfway up the mold, and then I'm going to bake the custard for about 30 to 35 minutes. The custard should be just set in the middle and should be wobbly. When you shake it a little bit, the custard should wobble. Once the custard is out of the oven, cool it completely, then wrap it and keep it in the fridge at least for about 2 hours until it's cold and set. When it's ready to serve, take it out of the fridge, put a thin layer of sugar on top of the custard until it's covered, and using a blowtorch you can caramelize the sugar. If you don't have a blowtorch, you can use the broil setting on your oven to do the same thing. I'm going to burn the sugar until it's brown and caramelized and let it sit for about 2 minutes to set, and then you can serve. I have listed the ingredients in the description box below. Enjoy!